Hey guys, today in Kiwanna's kitchen I'm going to share with you all on how my daughter made me some delicious pastina soup. I felt a little under the weather and she made me some of this soup which made me feel so much better. So without further ado, let's go. Alright guys, so now my daughter is going to share with you guys everything that she used to make this delicious pastina soup. She got some chopped sweet Vidalia onions, some chopped carrots, some chopped celery, 1 cup of pastina soup, which is basically star-shaped soup. Now, what pastina mean is small pasta, okay? You can use any small shaped pasta that you want. That's what pastina means, just basically small. We got a 1/2 cup of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 egg, and 6 cups of chicken stock, okay? Now, she didn't show you guys the seasonings here because she was pretty much adding the seasonings as she go. Remember what I told you guys, just taste as you go. You can always add it in, but you can't take it out. So just basically taste it as you go. But what you guys will see her put in here is the herbs that she used, which is basically sweet basil, oregano, and Italian seasoning, all equaling up to about a teaspoon. Okay, so you guys will see that. So what she did here, she went in with some olive oil, a tablespoon of butter, the onion, the celery, the carrots, and what we're going to do here is just saute the the vegetables until they become nice and translucent. Okay, so we want to give that a good mix, and then we're going to add in the chicken stock. Now remember, the chicken stock is going to flavor your soup as well, and it's going to give it a nice flavor at that. So again, you can add salt and pepper if you choose, but remember, you don't want to have your soup too salty, okay? So now we're going to add in the 1/2 cup of the tomato sauce and then give that a good mix. And now she's going in with the herbs, again, totaling up to about a teaspoon, and that is oregano, sweet basil, and Italian seasoning. Okay, so she got those in there and then gave it a good mix. And we're going to cover this and let it come to a boil because, again, guys, we are cooking pasta and you want to make sure it cooks properly. You can't just put it into no cold water because you're going to ruin your soup. So you want to make sure that is nice and hot. So now she's adding in about 2 nice handfuls of Parmesan cheese, and then she's going to go in with the pasta. And again, I'm using star-shaped pasta. One more time, pastina is basically small pasta. There's many shapes out there, okay? You can use whatever you want. So we're going to give that a good mix and just stir it and let it come to a boil for about 3 to 4 minutes, okay? So you guys can see the pasta is cooking perfectly. So now she's going to add in the egg. Now, she didn't temper the egg, okay? Again, guys, this is her first time making it, and I'm proud of her. She did really, really good, but she didn't temper the egg. And what you want to do is basically take a spoonful of that soup and add it into the bowl with the egg. Give it a good mix, and you want to do that like really, really fast. And that's basically bringing up the temperature of the egg so that it doesn't cook completely when you add it into the soup like you guys see right there. But again, she did perfect. The soup was delicious. She made it for me because I was feeling a little under the weather. And again, it was delicious and I loved it. So she did really good. So we're going to cover that and let it cook again. And here it is here, guys. You guys can see it turned out perfect. You can see that pasta is cooked perfectly as well. She put me a bowl together. And even though you see the little pieces of egg in there, that's fine. Like I said, this soup was perfect. I was not feeling well. I don't know what was going on, but when I say this soup was good, it was just that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me showing you how my daughter made me delicious pastina soup. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up. And until next time, you guys take care. Later.